Selamat datang ke Malaysia. Welcome to Malaysia.
Welcome to the RFC. This is the world's most internationally represented 4x4 event with more than 13 nationalities. When you arrive here in Malaysia for the RFC, you are already a winner. To complete the event, to finish the event, you are extraordinary.
Pretty fun. The special stages were hard for a limited vehicle, a middle of the road vehicle, but the winch is super fast, and we made use of that, and we finished, no DNS. Took a couple penalties yesterday, no penalties today. Not super fast, but not super slow, and no DNS.
Yes, I had a sexy crew, man. Hey, a sexy crew, man. Yes, from Thailand.